Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making carrot pickle. So for this, take carrot, peel and slice. Now add 1.5 teaspoon of vinegar or acetic acid. Mix it. Then add pinch of salt and pinch of red chili powder. Mix it again. Now for carrot pickle we have to make a pickle masala. So for this we need mustard pulse, cumin seed, fenugreek seed, coriander seed, fennel seed, onion seed, red chili powder, rock salt, turmeric, salt and asafoetida and mustard seed oil. We have to dry roast the dry masale. First take fennel seed or any seed, 2 teaspoon. Add 2 teaspoon of coriander seed. Add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. Add 1 teaspoon of onion seed and dry roast them for 1 minute on very low flame. Now let them cool down. We have to coarsely grind them. Just churn them once. Now add rock salt. Now our dry pickle masala is ready. So we will proceed further. On the same frying pan, we will add approximately 8 teaspoon of mustard seed oil. Heat the oil and switch off the induction and let the oil cool down. Once oil is cool, add a pinch of asafoetida, a pinch of turmeric, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and our dry pickle masala. Mix it well. Then add 5 teaspoon of mustard pulse or sarson or mustard seed, whatever you want to say, and mix all ingredient very well. Now add little bit of salt. Now as you can see, our carrot has released its juices, so it is a little moist. So what we have to do is mix it again and then add this pickle masala, approximately 2.5 teaspoon of this pickle masala, and mix it very well. And after mixing it, add 2 to 3 teaspoon of mustard seed oil and your carrot pickle is ready. So guys, when the carrot season is coming, make a carrot pickle. Thank you.